Today we will learn how to change your photo background color with Lightroom application. Open Lightroom and select your picture. You will adjust the light according to your image. I adjust the light according to the image I am selecting. Contrast equals +30. Highlights -40. Shadows -70. Whites +16. Blacks -10. Select color. Vibrance +50. Saturation -10. Go in color mix. Orange color. Saturation -26. Luminance +40. Yellow, green and pest color. Hue -100. Saturation +100. Blue color. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Done. Select effects. Texture +80. Clarity +70. Dehaze +10. Vignette -40. Midpoint 40. Feather 80. Roundness 7. Done. Select details. Sharpening 2. Noise reduction 50. Color noise reduction 50. Details 100. Smoothness 50. Go in Profile option. Select Artistic 03. Adjust it according to your needs. Your editing incomplete. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial video. Have a good day.